Back here on Chris's Park Lane, getting ready to get the motor out. All right, first order of business today is going to be finish removing the accessories. Go down and unbolt the exhaust from the manifolds. Gonna undo all the transmission goodies too, because we're gonna pull the engine and trans together. And then get this engine ready to go over to Brian at Indio Motor Machine. Get the trans ready to go over to Justin, have him go through it. Get this PS pump over to Advantage West, have them go through it. AC's gonna lay up here. Alternator's gonna be over there. Yeah. All the accessories are off. Water pump is off. We need to undo one heater hose, some electrical, then we can pull those accessories to the side. Power steering pump's off. Compressor is up and hanging out. Next step, go under the car, undo the collectors, undo the trans. Get ready to yank this baby right out of here. So upon taking the compressor mounting bracket off, notice that it's leaking out of the front shaft seal. So we're gonna need to have this addressed. You can see all the oil. So we'll get that rebuilt too. All of our accessories are undone. Collectors are undone. We've undone the torque converter and the bell housing. I've decided to pull the engine out separate, as it'll be much easier to handle. So we're ready. Engine's gonna come out right now. It's on its way out. It's up, angled, it's free of the bell housing, the starter's out of the way. The giant starter. Anyway, it's on its way out. It's gonna be going in the truck, going over to Brian. All right, it's out. Off into the truck. Gonna look into some motor mounts while we're at it.